Hello guys, use smartphone Alcatel 3L 6.2 inch display. This version 2GB memory and 32GB and 4GB memory and 64GB Intel memory. Open box and look completion. Device in completion: triple camera on the back side and fingerprint scanner. In box we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Close this. Okay. Device made of plastic. On this side power key, volume keys. Downside micro USB port and speakers. Upside headphones jack. Turn on device. Open tests. Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have MediaTek MT 6762. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores. NGPU PowerVR GA8320. Display resolution. We have IPS display. Okay, and test results. Okay, open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, okay. Close this and run the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the maximum graphic level. Works very good. Okay. Close this and now I'll show you photos on the main camera.